How to connect Cloud AI to Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Cloud AI account to your Monday.com account. So if you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tools that lets you have a workspace so that you can, monitor your employees, you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. So the first thing you have to do is go to your cloud account. As you can see, this is my cloud account. But first you have to understand you need a pro account or a premium account. So as you can see, this is my account. It's free, but I'm gonna still show you how to do it. So first you can go to your cloud account and go to your search and tools here. You can click it. And as you can see, there is add connectors. You can click it. And as you can see, there are a lot of web app and desktop extension. You can just search it, monday.com, oops, on web, I'm sorry, and you will find monday.com. You can click it. So as you can see, this is the details and this is the tools. So if you connect your account, you can get these tools, you can delete item, you can get board items by name and others. You can create item on Cloud Day. So it's gonna be make you easier to uh, manage all your tasks. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.